everyone. Good day to everyone. Welcome back to Price Engineering Consultancy Channel. Medyo matagal tayong nawala at this is the topic for today. Key housing laws in the Philippines. This is part of the environmental planning for the exam lectures for exam, the key housing laws. Mga batas regarding connected to environmental planning. So let's proceed. Housing laws in the Philippines form a part of the country's framework on urban development, human settlement, land use, and property ownership. They are meant to ensure affordable, safe, and sustainable housing for Filipinos, particularly for the underprivileged. Here's a summary of the major laws and regulations on housing. The RA 7279 or Republic Act 7279, Urban Development and Housing Act of 1992 or UDHA. This main law governing housing and urban development promotes a comprehensive and continuing urban development and housing programs. Key provisions: balanced housing development. Developers must allocate a portion of subdivisions for socialized housing. Security of tenure for informal settlers. Guidelines for eviction and demolition must be humane and with proper notice. And local government participation in housing program. Balanced Housing Development Program. Under UDHA, developers of residential projects are required to develop 20% of their project area or cost for socialized housing. It is enforced by the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development or DHSUD. RA 4726, Condominium Act of the Philippines, governs ownership, management, and transfer of condominium units. Allows foreigners to own up to 40% of a condominium project. Presidential Decree 957, PD 957, Subdivision and Condominiums Buyers Protective Decree, protects buyers of subdivision lots and condominium units against fraud and misrepresentation. It requires, number one, license to sell for DHSUD before marketing. Next, development of roads, drainage, open space, and basic facilities before turnover. And sanction for developers who fail to deliver. Rent Control Act, the most recent is the RA 9653, extended by various laws. Regulates rent increases on residential units to protect low-income tenants. Rent increase limits are usually capped annually, sample 2 to 4% depending on unit type, and applies mainly to low to mid price rentals. Residential Decree 1096 or PD 1096, the National Building Code of the Philippines provides standards on building construction, safety, sanitation, and occupancy, ensures houses and residential buildings meet structural integrity requirements. RA 7835, Comprehensive and Integrated Shelter Financing Act, provides funding mechanism for socialized housing programs, strengthens institutions like Pag-ibig Fund, NHA, and SHFC. Pag-ibig Fund Law, RA 9679, establish Home Development Mutual Fund, HDMF, or most widely known as Pag-ibig. Provides affordable housing loans for members, compulsory membership for employees. RA 7160, the Local Government Code of the Philippines, mandates LGU to provide socialized housing programs, reclassify lands for residential use, implement zoning ordinances. DHSUD Act or RA 11201, 2019, created the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development merge HLURB and HUDCC into one central housing authority, oversees housing, real estate regulation, and resettlement. In summary, housing in the Philippines is governed mainly by UDHA or RA 7279 for urban development and resettlement, PD 957 for bias protection, RA 4726 for condominium, and RA 11201 for creating DHU. These laws are supported by financing acts and rent controls to balance affordability, ownership, rights, and sustainable development. Okay, for inquiries, comments, suggestions, you can comment in this video below or you can email us at price.academy.consultancy@gmail.com or papalitan ko na yung number, no? 0956-016-2730 kasi hindi na ito nakaka-receive. Hindi siya nakaka-receive kasi walang signal sa abroad. Okay? For more videos, please like po dito sa videos, comment, and suggestion. Paki-share po kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video. Thank you very much and have a nice day. God bless to all. Nangyari?